All right. First, before I start, I have some exciting news. I became a grandfather yesterday. My daughter blessed us with a 7-pound, 5-ounce baby girl, Margaret Mary Fox Cogan. She was 20 inches long, so I'm real excited about that. Anyway, so despite the challenges for last year, my business grew 170% in 2021. What I learned was, although many challenges were beyond my control, they turned out to be a blessing in disguise. So today, I want to share with you 3 ways that I turned lemons into lemonade. And I hope you will walk away with some ideas for overcoming challenges in your business. So supply chain shortages, and I'm sure you've all heard the horror stories about that. Well, our industry wasn't any different. Cabinetry and plumbing fixtures that used to be 6 to 8 weeks lead time turned into 12 to 17 weeks lead time. Major appliance lead times increased from 8 to 10 weeks to 7 to 8 months. So clients were very frustrated with these delays. So lemonade solution number 1 is be flexible. We changed our priorities for processing our projects to a new first step. We coached our clients to help them select items, make purchases decisions, and pay material deposits before the project was completely priced out. COVID was really a blessing in disguise. Clients were forced to make purchasing decisions faster. The I think about it routine would just delay their project further. So we were placing product orders before even getting our labor bids. And we used our clients' money, not ours, to secure project materials. So Lemonade project challenge number 2, frustrated, impatient clients. Unhappy clients will suck the life out of your business. And sometimes, even though the circumstances are beyond your control, they can be very hard and very challenging to deal with. So Lemonade solution number 2 is develop trust. We tamed difficult clients by developing trust. We did what we said we would do, and we did even more. We kept our promises, and we continued to follow up. And we learned how to have uncomfortable, honest conversations with our clients, i.e., delivering bad news that your appliance order is going to take 8 months and your project will be delayed. Here's a picture of a kitchen that we did. This client ordered a 42-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator and a 48-inch range, Wolf range. We signed this contract in December of 2020. And I had to tell him that his appliances weren't going to be delivered to the end of August. It wasn't, a pleasant conversation. I mean, it was a very pleasant conversation because my client was very understanding, but it was a hard one to come up with. Another thing that happened, I had a client, believe it or not, that paid a 10% upcharge to save a month in her cabinet order. And even subcontractors make mistakes. So what's wrong with this picture? You can see, as you can see, the sinks are not in the right place. So, and even though Hallmark Stone turned the countertop around in 4 to 5 days, my client was still, they expected to use their bathroom, their master bathroom that evening. So they were certainly disappointed. But by being honest and above front with them, I was able to, control their expectations. Another thing I do to create trust is I pass on my discount from the wholesale appliances. We get an 8 to a 12% discount, and I send them there to get my discount as a goodwill gesture. So gifting my discount to clients also develops trust, and generosity breeds goodwill. Another thing was during COVID, being considerate of my clients, I would go to every sales call with a mask on and ask them if, that's what they wanted me to do. So they had to choose one way or the other, and I was with that. So lemonade challenge number 3, high demand. I was challenged with how to manage this new burst in business. So 20% were warm referrals, 60% were from next door, and others were from my website. So the challenge was how to maintain our high level reputation. So lemonade solution number 3, qualify prospects. Interviewing prospects on the phone regarding project start times, material delays, and price ranges. I had one lady call me. She wanted me to do 2 bathrooms for her. And I told her that I, in all honesty, couldn't start until probably end of April, early May. She was okay with that. And then she said, well, can you quote me a bid or whatever? And I said, well, without seeing it, it's very hard, but my bathrooms range from this to that. And she says, well, that's more than I wanted to spend. So we're able to disqualify clients, and saves us both time and money. And we have to let go of regrets of losing business, but really business that you didn't want to have in the first place. Now, our qualified prospects, our clients, will often buy again. After completing a project, many wanted to do another job, either at their existing home or their new home. I had one client, we did their master bathroom. And he says, well, now we need to do the hall bath. And I'm working on his kitchen project right now. Another gentleman, we remodeled his bathroom, master bathroom, so he could sell his home. And then when he got to the new home, we remodeled his huge kitchen. So the moral of the story is, when lemons appear, we can often find ways to make lemonade. So I hope you walk away today with some ideas of overcoming obstacles and challenges in your business that will help you grow your business. So what questions do you have for me? And what lemonade solutions have you experienced?